Hi, I'm here to tell you about my new visionOS app, the timer. It calls ioclock, and I know it's not like a clock, but I wanted to make it really simple, that timer that you can use in visionOS. After the Vision Pro released, I was wondering how the app will happen, and I thought, yeah, visionOS will be the future, and with a spatial glass, maybe for now, there's not lots of users right now, but I wanted to make really simple about that really core apps that can be used in visionOS. And first of all, there was no timer. As you can see in the previous video, I was just looking for the timer app in visionOS, but there wasn't. Is there any timer here? Nope, there's no timer. So I decided to make one, really simple one. Let's dive into visionOS app that I have made. I wanted to make it really simple, and I want to show you how it works. All right, this is my app. This is the first tab, that is the timer that you can set 1 to 60. And the second one is a stopwatch. So you can start and you can check the stopwatch and the settings. The settings has this shapes, the sphere and cube. I know this 2.1 is really small, but I wanted to make shapes. So after the updates, then I can use some other shapes. And the colors, there are 12 of them. So you can change that color you like the most. Okay, I'll leave it with this purple. So how do I use this is put this timer on the top of my screen and I do my work. And when the timer is ended, I go to rest. As you can see here, I added some details in the spatial. If you go to play and stop, and the menu on the bottom disappears. So it goes, it disappears, and you press it again, it comes back. So when the pause, it goes off and on. Yeah, and that's it. So on the settings, if you select in the timer on the stopwatch on the bottom, the setting, turns off. Those features has to be implemented so that user experience is much better. That was all of my app, and that is really simple. I know it is. I have to update a lot of things, but if you have any ideas that I can implement in my app, please let me know in the comments. Like the shape if you want to add, the color you want to add, or the features you wanted to add. That will be really helpful, and I will update right away. If you liked it, please press the like button, and if you loved it, please subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.